If you're looking for the best belt for men that fits comfortably, easy to take on and off, looks great, holds up to rugged use, and is affordable, then you should take a look at the Bulliant men's belt. Hey, Wild here, and welcome my dudes to my channel where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Now I need to thank my buddy for turning me on to these belts. I bought them a couple of years ago and I will never buy a different belt ever again. And here's why. All of the belts from this company are 100% durable, genuine leather, and they feel great to the touch. No joke, I've had my belts for more than 2 years and they still look brand newish and I wear them often. They come in a huge variety of different colors, belt designs, and buckle designs. So you know you're gonna find something that just fits your style and look. These belts also use a smooth ratchet system to get a precise fit around your waist, rather than the old school class buckle system that would just normally tear up any belt. Now, if you're thinking, wow, other manufacturers have a ratchet belt system. Yeah, but not like these ones. These belts have micro adjustments for the waist. Each click is a 1/4 inch adjustment, meaning you can have the exact fit for your waist. No more too tight or too loose pants. They can easily be adjusted by sliding the belt more into the buckle to tighten it or hitting the adjustment button to loosen them. They also have this smooth and sturdy lock. No joke, I'm actually surprised at how strong this thing is. The manufacturer even states that the belt and buckle can withhold 60 pounds of pressure. You also get a full face, no hole buckle or faceplate design, which looks awesome for all occasions. Another cool thing about the belt is you can trim the belt down to any length that you want, giving you complete control of your belt and waist size. So if you're on the edge between sizes that the company offers, I would say just buy the next size up because you can easily trim it down to be perfect for you. Are there any negatives to these belts? Honestly, I can only think of one. Now stick with me guys on this one. If you're about to get intimate with a lady friend out there, no chick knows how to undo these belts, making for some awesome stumbling and bumbling moments. I guess you could say it's payback for all those times we stumbled and bumbled and couldn't get that bra unhooked quickly. These belts range on price depending on size, color, and design, but they are generally between 15 and 30 bucks. And let me tell you, they're worth every single penny out there. I personally recommend you get two, one black and one brown belt, and you just call it a day because they will last you a long time. Make sure you use all the links down below for the best prices and best times to buy them. By the way, those links help me out, so thank you very much. If you need any other one-up awesome reviews done by me, you can do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel and check out a couple of videos over to the side. I'll see you in the next one.